Dave Hyman here from Complete Commercial. We're down at 6 Homestead Drive at Stapleton. We've got 12 industrial warehouse tenancies due to be completed October 26, ranging from 162 to 900 square metres.
Let me go home. Home is where I'm with you. Oh, let me go home. Home is where I'm with you.
Developed by the Engage Group, M-Space Yatala features 12 brand new industrial multi-use units at the entrance to Fraser's Vantage Estate. This bespoke development will offer occupiers an exciting opportunity to establish their business in South East Queensland's fastest growing industrial precinct. Each tenancy has exposure to over 12,000 cars daily and has front and rear roller doors for cross ventilation.
To discuss this exciting opportunity in further detail, please reach out to arrange an inspection.